Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gemini account. Let's get straight into the video. The first method is online sign up. What you want to do here is to go to Gemini's website and click on sign up. Now you want to select individual or institutional depending on your needs, and then you want to provide a valid email address for account verification. And now you got to choose a strong and unique password for your account. And then you need to provide personal information such as your name, date of birth, and address. And then you got to upload a government issued identification card. That could be a driver's license, or it could be a passport. Then you got to set up a two-factor authentication, so you can enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Now for mobile app sign up, what you want to do is to get the Gemini app from the App Store for iOS devices, or you can get that from Google Play Store for Android devices. And then just start the sign up process within the app by tapping on sign up, and then of course just follow the steps as the online sign up to complete that process. Now for the verification process, Gemini is going to review your application and verify your identity. So once verified, you're going to receive an email to confirm your email address. Now just click on the verification link in the email to activate your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Gemini account. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.